Hey there, this is Dave Bensman, Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today we're going to talk about installing Adobe Reader and setting it as the default. So what the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to Google Adobe Reader. Usually, it's one of the first search results that you get here, and you're going to look for something that says get.adobe.com/reader, and that's going to be what you want. Now, when you see this come up, you're going to want to deselect right here where it says McAfee. That if you don't deselect that, it's going to install McAfee Security Scan Plus on your computer, which is a way that a lot of these companies are getting their software on your computer. It's just by piggybacking onto things that you actually want. Then you're going to click where it says Install Now. Okay, and it is installing. Now, as soon as it's done installing, you're going to see, if you're using Chrome, you're going to see it in the lower left-hand corner of your screen. If you're using Firefox, you'll see it up here. But you're going to see the thing it just downloaded. So you're going to click on that, left-click once with your mouse, and then you're going to click on Yes. Now, let's say you don't really know where your download is. You can always get to your downloads by clicking on your personal folder and then clicking on the left right here where it says downloads. And you can see if I right click on that folder and then I go to sort by date, you can see now it says the Adobe Reader installer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on that, and then I'm going to left click once on yes. And then now it's doing the actual install. Before it just downloaded the installer, this is the actual install. So you're going to wait until the little blue line moves all the way from the left to the right, and Adobe Reader will at that point be completely installed. So there it goes. It's doing the download portion. When it gets to about right here, it's going to be doing the install portion. Now this may take a little longer if you have a slower connection, and it won't take as long if you have a faster connection, although I've got a pretty fast connection. So no matter what, unless you have gigabit Ethernet, it's probably not going to go much faster than this. But it will speed up as soon as it starts installing. And there it goes. Almost there. And any second now. And there it goes. And there it goes. All right, so then you click on Finish, and it'll open up the Adobe web page. You can close that, and in fact, we can close that as well. And then it'll automatically open up Adobe, which you can then close. Now, the key point at this point is my computer is still set to download or to open PDF files with Microsoft's PDF file reader, which I don't want because it's not the industry standard. I want to have all my PDF files open with Adobe Reader. So what I'm going to do is, I don't really have a PDF file. on this computer, so to test it, I'm going to download a 1040 form from the IRS. So there we go, and I'm going to download it to the desktop. And as you can see right here, it does not have the Adobe icon on the PDF file that I just downloaded. So to get it on there, to make Microsoft default to using Acrobat Reader as the PDF reader, I'm going to right click. That is, I'm going to click once with my right mouse button on the PDF file. Then I'm going to mouse up to where it says open with, and I'm going to left click on choose another app. Then I'm going to put a check in this box, always use this app to open PDF files. That's, I'm going to left click once to put that check in there. And then I'm going to double click where it says Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Now, as you can see, the 1040, they got a little tour here we don't need to go through. The 1040 form is opened by Adobe Acrobat Reader, and as you can see, the icon on that file I downloaded has changed to the Adobe Acrobat icon. So now whenever I download and then open a PDF file, it will open with Adobe Acrobat Reader. I hope that this was informative and helpful. If so, please like and share this video. Please also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any need of computer repair and you're in the Memphis, Cordova, Germantown, Collierville, or Millington area, please feel free to give me a ring, Dave Bensman, Bensman Home Computer Repair, at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.